At the 15th Zhuhai Air Show, China publicly showcased for the first time the Z-20T, an ARB assault variant of the Z-20 helicopter developed for the Chinese Army. Known as the Assault Eagle, this model features short wings and advanced weaponry, positioned as a specialized aircraft for air assault and special operations. Equipped with a payload that includes 8 air-to-ground missiles, the design and functionality of the Z-20T suggested may fulfill a role similar to the U.S. MH-60 Leaders, a gunship helicopter specifically used for special operations. The Z-20T is an assault version with hardpoints for weapons, while the Z-20S specializes in search and rescue operations. The Z-20K, Z-20KA, and Z-20Ks are variants for the PLAAF, with roles in airborne corps, air assault, and search and rescue, respectively. Naval versions include the Z-20J for utility transport and the Z-20F for anti-submarine warfare, featuring radar and dipping sonar capabilities. The Z-20 PAP variant serves the People's Armed Police, and a dedicated attack version, the Z-21, is configured with additional weaponry and avionics for combat missions. In this new variant, the external store support system short wings enable it to carry additional weapon systems and auxiliary fuel tanks, enhancing its operational flexibility. This design supports different mission requirements by accommodating payloads such as rocket launchers and anti-tank missiles, or by increasing the range through auxiliary fuel tanks. The Z-20T's short wings also provide extra lift, reducing the load on the main rotor, which could support higher flight speeds. The helicopter's standard weapon load includes ground-to-ground rockets and AKD-10 laser-guided anti-tank missiles, with possible future compatibility with long-range Blue Arrow 21 anti-tank missiles. The Z-20T is equipped with an optoelectronic turret on the nose, featuring forward-looking infrared and target acquisition systems. This configuration, which includes a flight night vision system and a target acquisition/marking system, is intended to support improved situational awareness and target engagement. Additionally, the Z-20T incorporates an active defense system, including missile warning sensors, phased array radar, an infrared jammer, and a directional infrared countermeasure system to help protect against missile threats. The Z-20T's ESSS short wings are also detachable, with interfaces on each side of the fuselage allowing rapid reconfiguration for different mission types. When not in use, the wing attachments can be covered with fairings. The design of these detachable short wings and modular interface points was likely influenced by the U.S. Black Hawk. Observations at the show noted that the Z-20T's modularity allows for rapid mission adaptation, which may be beneficial for an aircraft expected to fulfill multiple roles, including air-to-ground strikes, troop transport, and infiltration such as the Z-20. Unlike the standard Z-20, the Z-20T is designed with specialized mission requirements, indicated by the T suffix, which denotes its assault focus. The Z-20T lacks in-flight refueling capability, suggesting a focus on shorter range operations. While the Z-20T is developed for China's special operations and air assault units, it does not yet match the extensive operational experience of U.S. special operations helicopters. However, the Z-20T's role suggests China is advancing in the area of specialized helicopter missions, including roles traditionally carried out by Western forces. The Z-20T also shows structural and functional similarities to various U.S. military helicopters, including the MH-60 Leaders, MH-60M, and MH-60 Leaders DAPI models operated by the U.S. Army's 160th Special Operations Aviation Regiment. The Z-20T may support a range of operations, including reconnaissance, rescue, anti-terrorism, psychological operations, and battlefield infiltration. In certain scenarios, the Z-20T may allow for the rapid deployment and extraction of personnel under hostile conditions and provide close air support. The Z-20T's adaptability offers mission-specific configurations, such as mounting additional weapon systems for fire support or using auxiliary fuel tanks for extended operational range. This flexibility allows for customized mission loadouts, supporting both increased firepower and extended range as needed. Observers note that this helicopter can carry a slightly larger payload than the MH-60 Leaders /LDAP/M models, giving frontline units options to tailor its use to specific mission requirements. Mounting choices on the short wings enable a range of configurations, balancing firepower and range.